Happy New Year and welcome to MaxWell South Star's monthly statistics report on real estate sales and activities in the city of Calgary. What an interesting and fabulous year it's been. Let's first of all talk about some of the communities that are outside of Calgary. Sales volumes in December were up 15.5% over December of last year, and year to date they're up 12% in the surrounding communities. Active listings for the month of December were down 11% from a year ago. That's not a good sign. And the average price was up 11%, and the benchmark price was up 6%. So quite a difference in the benchmark and the average price. The average price year to date, or for the whole year, 2013, compared to 2012 in the communities around Calgary, was 6% increase. Single family homes, on the other hand, in the city of Calgary, the number of sales were up 3 3/4, almost 4% in December over December last year. And year to date, the average number of sales was up 8% from a year ago. So that's a real steady increase. New listings were up almost 1%. Not what we'd like to see when we see the number of sales happening. It's putting a little pressure on the market. And also active listings were down 18.5% December over December. So that's not a good sign for buyers. Average price for the month of December was up 6% from a year ago. And year to date, the average price is up 7.61% on the average. That's the single family homes. The benchmark price for December was up 8.6% from a year ago, December of 2012. Condominium apartments. Interesting here. Total sales were up just over 1% for the month of December. And for the year, though, they were up 14.5%. So a very strong market in condominium apartments. Active listings in December were down 13% from a year ago. And the new listings for the year were down 2% from a year ago, or over the course of the year. So that's not a good sign. Listings down, sales up. That means pressure on the marketplace and pressure on prices. When we look at condominium townhouses, sales in December were up 50%, 49.17, 50% from a year ago. And on the year to date, they are up 22.5%. So incredible, the number of sales in townhouses. Active listings were down 22% in December from December last year. And new listings in the year were up 6% from a year ago. That's a good sign. Average price on condominium townhouses were up 8.7% for December over December, and the benchmark price was up 8.1% December over December. The average price for the year was up 7.75% year over year. Now, when we take a look at supply and demand, and this is the key issue right now, single-family homes in the city of Calgary, there's something just under 2 months supply at current sales and listing levels. In condominium apartments, it's just slightly more than 2 months. And condominium townhouses were down to 1.4 months supply of condominium townhouses. So shortage in inventory, increased sales. We would anticipate there's going to be some pressure on prices. Historically, January, we see a fairly substantial increase in listings. I hope that happens because otherwise prices will get pushed. Traditionally, though, it does happen. I'm sure the numbers will come along much better in January. We'll see lots of inventory coming on, and that'll give buyers more selection and hopefully temper price increases just a little bit. Anyway, that's the stats for 2013, and a look at what we see happening in 2014. Thank you for coming to our stats package, our monthly stats package, and also have a fabulous 2014. Thank you very much, and a happy move.